Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see how theorem, remarks, corollaries can be included in the presentation, how a diagram can be included in the presentation, and how we can set a references and so on. Right? So further I'm going to use a Overleap website, which is where you no need to have many things, but simply you can type the codings, you can get the output file here. Until the last document we are seeing how to create a LaTeX Beamer by using Beamer, how to create a slides we have been discussing. So here we have seen how to give a highlight, how to give a coloring to a specific thing, how to customize the user theme, how to customize the color style and all. So now see here I will be using this begin block definition. This is the definition, and I am using begin itemizes and suppose if I want to include begin frame, of course end frame, so frame title, begin frame and end frame, begin title as okay, so first fuzzy theory. Okay, so next one begin theorem, begin theorem and end theorem. So here you can type any one of the theorem as it is given above or below, right? So just I am typing, for instance, just compile it, just you can just Control S, it is going to compile this. So here you got a theorem, see here a C theory theorem, this is the theorem we can call it as. So similarly you can use begin begin corollary, begin block, then use corollary, right? So end block, so in between you can again copy and paste, you can cut something, so just save it. You will be getting a new block. Okay, somewhere, sorry, so somewhere we made a mistake, but still that mistake was found. So this is the corollary. Okay, for the presentation we can include theorem as well as corollary, and you can include figure also. Suppose if you are taking like I have an example, so here I have created an example using the Beamer presentation using many diagrams. So if you have a look, you can able to visualize this. See how to these numbers. See how to diagrams by using a kind of scaling method we have inserted in the so it is very easy. See here the picture is going outside, you have to shrink inside so that our document looks nice, right? So for this, what are the things we need to do to insert a picture in a Beamer presentation? What we have to do? See, it is a very simple and quite easy also. See, take a create like Beamer, create a presentation, and this diagrammatic representations, just save it. So diagrammatic representations, just you can save in that file, right? So just compile it, you will get some some kind of output. So here you can use include graphics. Already we are having user packages graphics, we are already having. Simply see here I have explained, here we have explained. So we are giving a topic for the frame, and we are explaining something, and we are including graphics. See, begin figure, end figure, right? This is the syntax we are going to use, right? Begin figure including graphics, right? The same thing we are going to use in our thing also, right? So begin figure, end figure, include graphics, scale, .5. Yeah, we need to give as whatever the picture we have saved there, the same thing we have to give as a picture. So I'll take any one of the picture here. Yeah, so human space, rename so that I can copy it easily. Okay, so like I can give a syntax, the caption also. See here we have given a caption, so here also we can give a caption so that I can go it fastly. Mona Lisa. Okay, just to save it, run the file. Let's see whether what is the output file we are getting. So here we have taken a picture and we have inserted in our PPT. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, good. So n figure, n frame. Okay, so yeah, suppose if you make it this and compile it, you will be getting the figure like this. Provided you have to check that this file is saved in the same folder where the figure is saved, or simply where you have saved the original folder, you have to save the same thing so that you can avoid this error. Okay, so like this you can have the pictures inside your document, right? Similarly, you can use many other tools also. So at last, how to include the references? How to include the references for your maybe your DC meeting and all. You have to suppose this is my presentation. Here I have created a document for my DC meeting. So here I am using sections. See, this is sections and introduction part and definitions, theorems, as well as examples, properties, again examples, and so on. And I have made the hyperreference also. So here corollary, here see the references. How we are giving the references, just we have a look on it. This is DC meeting. So to shortcut the time, just I am going a little bit fast, so nothing else. So here the same thing what we are going to do. The research paper and the presentation, the bibliography system is slightly different. Here each frame you have to fix. See here, begin block, begin itemize the list. Begin block, itemize the list. Begin block, itemize the list. Okay, so each and everything you have to itemize. Suppose this is my thing, you can check it by a conclusion also. So you will be getting like this kind of figure. This publications, see here we have got the publication list, right? So these are all the publications, and the references still we can able to cover the references also. Yeah, so for reference point of view, see here, begin frame reference, footnote size, the bibliography. This syntax we have been using. See, begin frame title, that is a reference, footnote size, the begin bibliography. So it is very simple. You can this is the output file. So here also you can be able to get this. Okay, suppose if you are using two files, you won't be getting. Okay, so just compile it. You will be getting the references as I have shown in this diagram. This like this. So it is very simple to create a PowerPoint presentation by using Beamer, provided you should know the LaTeX clearly, right? I hope you have enjoyed the session by learning all the steps for a Beamer. Thank you.